Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL TabMax and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find home screen and wallpapers. Now let's tap on the wallpapers section, and as you can see here we've got 3 different albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. We've got some live wallpapers, we've got Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or regular, let's say, static wallpapers, which are defaultly installed. So let me pick this option. And as you can see, if you will change to your mind and if you want to pick something from your gallery, simply tap on My Photos. And here we've got some options from which you can choose, and just tap on particular option in order to see it on the full screen. And basically, if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And now let's decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back and check, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.